Hello 7th standard students. In this session we are going to solve exercise 6.4. Already in the last session we have studied lots of things, and on the basis of that rules and properties we are going to solve exercise 6.4. The question number 1 is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? The first one 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. We know that for a triangle, sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. That means the larger one, that means the number which is greater than the other two numbers, that means it is a length of larger side. So we have to find out the addition of other two measurements which should be equal to the third one side. Given sides are 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Sum of the two sides 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. And the third side is of 5 centimeter. So we have sum of any two sides is equal to the third side, that is 5 centimeter. Hence the triangle is not possible. So it should be greater than. But you can see here the major addition, the sum of the two sides and the third sides are equal. So the triangle is not possible. Second, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. The larger side is of 7 centimeter and other two sides are 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Sum of the two sides is equal to 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is equal to 9 centimeter. Third side is equal to 7 centimeter. So we have sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, that is 9 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. Hence the triangle is possible. Third one 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Sum of the two sides is equal to 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter. And the third side which is larger, that is 6 centimeter. We have sum of any two sides which is less than the third side and it should be greater than. So 5 centimeter is less than 6 centimeter. Hence the triangle is not possible. Question number 2. Take any point O in the interior of the triangle PQR and is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, OQ plus OR is greater than QR, OR plus OP is greater than RP. Now here is the solution. So while solving this problem, we have to remind that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So yes, in triangle OPQ we have OP plus OQ which is greater than PQ. In second examples also, yes, in OQR we have OQ plus OR is greater than QR. That means the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third one side. And third one is also possible. So we will write yes, in triangle OPR we have OR plus OP is greater than RP. So as like that we can solve this equation, question number 2. Question number 3. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM? Now look at here, this is the median. So what is the median? Any vertices of triangle and the midpoint of its front side which joins the line, that line is known as a median. So median gives us two equal parts of the base. So with the help of this information we have to find out that AB plus BC plus AC, that means sum of the length of these three sides greater than the twice of this median. So consider the sides of triangles ABM. Now we will consider here are the two triangles ABM and AMC. So we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So look at here, in angle ABM, here we can write AB plus BM is greater than AM. Why we are choosing these two sides? We want AM for the both triangle. AM is common side for the both triangle, so we are using this one is greater side. Okay, so AB plus BM is greater than AM, and in triangle AMC, AC plus CM is greater than AM. And adding equation, these two equations, you can see this AB plus AC plus BM plus CM is greater than AM and AM. How many AM? AM are there? 2 AM. So look at here, AB plus AC, BM and CM. In this you can see BM plus CM is when we join these two line segment together, we get here side BC. So instead of, look at here, so instead of this we can write here BC. Okay, the next one is AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, now we are arranging here the correct order of the names of the triangles which is greater than 2 AM, as like that gives us in a question. So look at here carefully. Here is a one triangle and this is a median. So because of this median, we get here two triangles. You can see this. Where is my point? My pointer is on the triangle, the black dot. So this is the one triangle ABM and this is the second triangle AMC. Look at here, ABM, and this is another one. So we will write AM is common side of the both triangles. So we will write here AB plus BM is greater than AM and AC plus CM is greater than AM. So in this question you can see that we have to find out the addition. So we will do here addition, AB plus AC plus BM plus CM. In the figure you can find out this is the BM and this is the CM, and together we get here BC. So instead of BM and CM we wrote here BC. Okay, in the question they gives us AB plus BC plus CA. So now we will write the third one sentence as like the question, which is greater than 2AM. So this one is the small kind of proof that is very important for the exam, and when you will go in the 9th standard in geometry you have to solve many proofs. This is the basic proof that it is very important to understanding what is the geometry and what we have to solve in geometry for the next year or in the 9th standard. So hence we can say that it is proved. Question number 4, ABCD is quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD? Look at here, this is the quadrilateral. Here you can see that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. That means the sum of length of all sides is greater than sum of length of diagonals. That we have to prove. The solution is yes, the given square ABCD in which AC and BD are its diagonal. That means the line which joins the opposite vertices of the given shape or even given quadrilateral. So we know that sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. So in ABC, here look at here which triangle we have chosen here. ABC. In ABC we have AB plus BC is greater than AC. Why we choose here AC? AC is common to the both triangle. And in BDC, look at here, BDC we have BC plus CD and it is greater than BD. Why we choose here AC and BD? You can see this, the right hand side of a given what are given in question shows the diagonals. So we have to choose the third one side is diagonal. In ADC we have AD plus DC is greater than AC, and DA plus AB is greater than DB. So by adding this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get here AB plus BC, BC plus CD, CD plus DA, DA plus AB. Now you can see AB, AB. So we are writing here 2AB. This is BC and here BC. So 2BC. CD and CD. So here we will write here 2CD. AD or AD, or you can say DA plus DA. Here are the 2 DA, which is greater than AC and AC, 2AC, BD and BD, 2BD. Or you can see that 2 is a common, so we can neglect this. So we can cancel this because 2 is everywhere. Okay, so if it is everywhere, then we can neglect this. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay, so which is hence proved. Okay, so this question is also very important. Question number 5. ABCD is a quadrilateral. If AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 in bracket AC plus BD bracket close. So yes, we know that we have a quadrilateral ABCD. Any side of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two sides. Okay, or you can say the sum of the other two sides is greater than the third side of a triangle. In AOB, we have AB is greater than AO plus BO, and in triangle BOC, we have BC which is greater than BO plus CO. Okay, now look at here how we can draw this. Quadrilateral. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Okay, in AOB, so that means what is the question? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, these are all the sides of the quadrilateral is greater than twice of AC plus BD. That means here we have to draw diagonals, and two diagonals are intersecting at one point which is named as O. So in triangle AOB we have AB which is a side which is greater than, and which are the diagonals? AO and BO. As like that BOC, so BC is greater than BO plus OC. In COD you can see that CD is greater than CO plus DO, and in AOD you can say that AD is greater than AO plus DO. So as like that we can write the answers related to all the triangles which are given in this quadrilateral. So adding these 4 equations we get here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So you can see this AO, AO, BO, BO, CO, CO and DO, DO. Every is occurs for the 2 times. So directly we can write 2AO plus 2BO plus 2CO or plus 2DO. So directly we can write here AO plus BO that and BCO plus AO plus OC plus BO plus OD. So instead of write we can write AC and BD. Okay, and when we keep out this 2 at the as a common, we get here directly AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to, which is greater than 2 AC plus BD. Hence we can say that it is proved. So dear student, this question number 5 is very important. By using your different keys on your mobile or tab, just rewind that and listen this question and watch this question how to solve carefully. Question number 6. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? And the solution is the sum of the two sides. Here what they gives us, there is a one triangle and the length of two sides are 12 and 15. So what is the sum of these two sides is 27 centimeter. And the difference of these two sides is 3 centimeter. Okay. So why we here find out the difference? What they ask, between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? That means here we have to find out the difference. So the measures of the third side should fall between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Okay, because addition must be greater than the third side, but it is not smaller than its difference. So measure of the third side should be 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. So as like this is your homework that you have to solve in your notebook without taking any help of your parents and friends. So what is the today's homework? Solve exercise 6.4 with the help of this video. And if you have any query, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so don't waste your time, complete your homework. Till then, have a good day.